Hello friends, welcome back. Before starting with today's recipe, I would like to thank you for supporting me. We are a community of 5,000 today. So let's start with today's recipe. It's a specialty from Orissa. It's known as chakuli. It's a form of dosa, but it's not dosa exactly. It's spongier than dosa. And we need biri or urad dal along with rice for this recipe. I'll be sharing a few variations of this recipe, so keep watching this till the end. We need 1 cup of urad dal or biri dal, 3 cups of rice, rinse well and soak them overnight. We'll also need 2 cups of semolina. This is optional. If you don't want to add semolina, you can skip it. Now next day in the morning, we ground the soaked rice with half cup of water, and then we added urad dal to the batter. I'll be sharing the exact amount of water needed for this recipe at the end of the video. For urad dal, we needed at least 1.5 cup of water for grinding. The amount may vary slightly here and there, so you need to keep a check on the consistency. Look at the consistency. If it feels right, then you don't need to add more water. At this stage, we added more water when we mixed urad dal with rice. Add half cup of water and then let it sit for at least 2 hours without mixing. After 2 hours, my MIL decided to mix it because we were ready to start with the chakuli making process. It's ready for use, and look at the consistency. This is how it should look. This is our urad and rice batter only. Now we have also soaked semolina, you remember? If you want to make semolina, then if you want to use semolina in the recipe, it's time to use. Now here is a trick that my MIL uses for smearing the skillet. You may use onion head instead. Now this is our this is our urad dal batter, and we are making chakli with the urad dal and rice batter alone. Keep the flame to medium. When you pour the batter, lower the flame, and once you have spread it, you can turn it to medium. It will take hardly 1 minute for the chakli to get ready. Now this is the semolina batter. We added 1 cup of water to the semolina, and then we added half cup of besan or chickpea flour, and then we also added 1 cup of urad and rice batter to the soaked semolina. Mix it well. This will be a loose dough. Look at the consistency. Smear oil on the tawa and then spread it on the skillet. Flip side, and within 1 minute your chakuli is ready. This is again soft, spongy chakuli. And this is the second day. Second day we added more water, and look at the consistency. It was able to spread very easily, so it's a very versatile kind of batter. You can add as much water as you want, and fermentation results in even softer chakulis. You can make chakulis within 2 hours of preparing the batter, or even after 4 days. So now let's make chana dal chutney. It's a specialty from my MIL and it tastes delicious. Now roast half cup of chana dal or but dali or chickpea lentils with 1 teaspoon of oil. Roast until it's aromatic, and then you can add whole red chilies for making it spicy. If you're making it for kids, then skip it. Now soak it overnight, and next morning wash the dal and then Add it to the grinder along with half cup of water. Add curry leaves. It's optional. If you don't have curry leaves, you can add coriander leaves or skip it completely. Grind, check if it's done. If not, you can add more water. Again, this will be a loose chutney. Add more water if required. Now we'll need to prepare the tempering. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil, red chilies, mustard seeds, and you can also add jeera or cumin seeds, curry leaves. Fry until aromatic and then pour this mix onto the dal. Mix with ground dal. Add half cup more of water because it looked thick, so we added more water. Mix it, and then we'll need to add half cup of curd. Curd is to make it tangy or sour. Then add salt, mix. You can skip curd if you don't want to add. You can skip it, add lime juice instead, and our chaklis are ready. So let's check some tips here. The water needed for the batter depends on how spongy you want the chakli. From plain chaklis without semolina and besan, you can add 1.5 cup of water in total. Wait for at least 2 hours before making the chakli after preparing the batter, and if you keep it for longer, keep it in the refrigerator without adding salt. The batter stays good for at least 4 to 5 days without getting sour. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.